What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best 360 cameras that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Insta360 X3 has solidified its reputation as the most versatile 360 camera on the market, taking the exceptional features of its predecessor, the One X2, to new heights. This action-packed camera is a pleasure to handle, boasting a convenient design that allows for easy handheld use without the need for mounts. It features an expansive screen, advanced stabilization technology, and a potent HDR mode, all of which contribute to delivering exceptional results. While it excels at capturing 360-degree videos, the X3 is also capable of recording impressive 4K footage with a standard action camera view, surpassing even the GoPro Max in terms of clarity. The design of the Insta360 X3 retains the stick-like structure of its predecessor but adds a threaded mounting point at the bottom for attaching a selfie stick if desired. Despite the absence of an ergonomic grip design, it fits comfortably in hand, with diamond embossed texture on the sides for improved grip. The front and back are crafted from soft-touch plastic, enhancing the overall aesthetics. One of the most significant design upgrades is the X3's large upright display, which outshines the screens of many other cameras in its class. This design caters primarily to influencers and content creators who frequently share videos on social media platforms. The X3's new sensors offer more pixels, enhancing clarity and detail even in low-light conditions. It can capture 72-megapixel photos, 8K time-lapses, and more, making it a truly versatile and comprehensive 360 camera. Despite its higher price tag, the Insta360 X3 delivers superior quality, making it an excellent choice for those who demand the best in 360-degree capture and reframing. With features like flow state stabilization and 360 horizon lock, it ensures incredibly smooth and stable videos, further enhancing its appeal for content creators and enthusiasts alike. The GoPro Max is a groundbreaking camera that offers unparalleled functionality and versatility, making it a dream come true for adventurers and content creators who want to capture their experiences in a full 360-degree view without sacrificing the flexibility of a single-lens action camera. As the second iteration of GoPro's 360-degree cameras, the Max significantly outperforms its predecessor, the GoPro Fusion, in terms of design and capabilities. The Max is lighter and more compact, aligning with the size of the GoPro Hero series cameras, making it a handy companion for outdoor escapades. It features a full-touch LCD display that enables easy navigation and control. Impressively, it can record high-quality 5.6K videos at 30 frames per second, delivering crisp and vibrant footage. In Hero mode, it allows users to shoot non-stop 360-degree videos at 1440p resolution and 60 frames per second. One standout feature of the GoPro Max is its front LCD screen, which doubles as a camera for vlogging and quick selfies. With an enhanced 6-microphone setup, hyper-smooth 2 stabilization, and a robust 1,600 mAh battery, the Max is an excellent choice for vloggers and various outdoor activities. The Max's innovative design includes seams that facilitate 360-degree video recording up to 5K resolution, placing it at the forefront of 360-degree cameras on the market. It simplifies the viewing of 360-degree footage with its in-camera stitching feature. The GoPro Quick app and the GoPro Player app allow for seamless editing of captured moments. The horizon leveling feature ensures smooth cinematic quality footage, whether you're sidestepping, flipping midair, or chasing after action-packed shots. Moreover, the Max allows you to capture stunning 270-degree distortion-free panoramic photos without the need to sweep the horizon. With its 6 microphones, it captures immersive 360-degree audio, delivering exceptional stereo sound quality. In essence, the GoPro Max stands tall as the best overall 360 camera, offering top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. With features like Max Hypersmooth, live streaming, horizon leveling, Power Pano, premium 360+ stereo audio, digital lenses, and Max Time Warp, it's a versatile tool for capturing and sharing incredible moments from every angle. The Ricoh Theta X is truly a remarkable device that pushes the boundaries of 360-degree photography. With the ability to capture images at an astonishing resolution of 11K, 11008 by 5504, it proudly stands as the pioneer in 360 cameras capable of recording stabilized 360 videos in 5.7K. What sets the Theta X apart is its ability to achieve this without requiring any stitching, a common stumbling block with many other devices in this category. In the world of 360 cameras, one significant limitation has always been the need to stitch videos together since these cameras typically employ multiple lenses. Stitching involves fusing images from different sensors to create a comprehensive 360-degree photo or video. While it may not be a problem with a small number of photos or videos, it becomes time-consuming as the volume increases. The Theta X eliminates this concern by offering stabilized videos with real-time stitching, delivering fully stitched and stabilized photos and videos ready for immediate use. The camera's new sensor, boasting approximately 48 megapixels, enables the capture of high-resolution 360-degree photos with a maximum output resolution of about 60 megapixels. The ability to change the battery and memory card ensures users can continue shooting without worrying about battery life or storage capacity during extended shooting sessions. The Theta X also offers enhanced connectivity with smartphones through a new wireless Bluetooth connection procedure, making it even more user-friendly. Made with a magnesium alloy body, the Theta X is not only durable but also excellent at dissipating heat. Additionally, it can be powered via the USB Type-C port located on the side of the main body, even while using a tripod, without needing the optional expansion adapter. In summary, if your budget allows, investing in the Ricoh Theta X is highly recommended, as its incredible features and performance make it worth every penny. Whether for personal or business use, this camera is a game-changer in the world of 360-degree photography and videography. The Insta360 ONE X2 is a versatile gadget that revolutionizes the way you capture and share your adventures. It eliminates the hassle of framing shots and deciding what to capture at the moment. Instead, you can record everything and later select and share your preferred content using its robust software. This camera serves a dual purpose, functioning as both an action camera and a 360-degree camera. This unique feature allows you to capture your surroundings in various ways and share these unique perspectives with others who may not have had the same opportunity to explore. Among its impressive array of features, one that stands out is the invisible selfie stick. The Insta360 software magically erases the selfie stick from your footage, creating the illusion that a drone is capturing your adventures. The camera itself boasts a sturdy build and user-friendly, efficient software. Its design resembles a slightly oversized candy bar with two domed camera lenses gracing each side at the top. The exterior features a soft-touch material with textured sides for a secure grip, making it easy to handle in various situations. Key features such as excellent stabilization, horizon lock, and the invisible selfie stick facilitate the capture of high-quality content. You can shoot in every direction with super 5.7K 360-degree footage and then choose your favorite angle later. Alternatively, you can opt for the Steadicam mode for ultra-steady wide-angle shots using just one lens. Additionally, the Insta360 ONE X2 boasts an IPX8 waterproof rating, allowing you to take it underwater up to 10 meters, 33 feet, without a case. In summary, the Insta360 ONE X2 is a game-changer for content creators and adventurers, offering versatility, ease of use, and impressive features that make it a top choice for capturing and sharing immersive experiences. Whether you're recording extreme sports or documenting your travels, this camera delivers outstanding results in a compact and user-friendly package. The Ricoh Theta SC2 is undoubtedly the best value 360 camera on the market. Its ability to capture stunning photos and videos with remarkable ease is truly remarkable, especially when you consider its affordable price point. The camera's design is a testament to modern minimalism, featuring sleek lines and a minimalist aesthetic that could easily be mistaken for a high-end remote control. One side of the device bears the Theta brand name, while the other side boasts a single button and a small OLED screen that displays shooting mode and battery life information. This clean and button-free look on one side adds to its sophisticated appeal. On the opposite side, you'll find 4 buttons for power, Wi-Fi mode, and timer settings. The top of the device houses 4 ports for a built-in stereo microphone, while the bottom includes a standard 0.25-inch 20 tripod mount and a micro USB port for charging and data transfer. While the Ricoh Theta SC2 can operate independently, it requires initial setup and content transfer through pairing with an Android or iOS device. Equipped with dual 12-megapixel CMOS sensors and 7-element f2 lenses, it offers an impressive 14.5-megapixel final photo resolution. This camera simplifies the process of capturing 360-degree photos and videos, making it as easy as using a standard point-and-shoot camera. One standout feature is the new preset mode, which allows you to capture stunning night scenes with low noise and a wider dynamic range. Additionally, the camera excels at taking beautiful portraits with its face detection feature. Given its capabilities and affordable price, the Ricoh Theta SC2 is an unbeatable option for those looking to dive into the world of 360-degree photography and videography. Capture your life in 360 with ease and high performance using this remarkable camera.